Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming to you with an unexpected type of video. This is not a video that I've had to do before, and this is something that I guess, being that I'm a part of the health community, and my channel is basically about health and wellness and a healthy lifestyle, I felt the need to come on here to talk to you about all that's going on in this crazy world that we're living in right now. All with this coronavirus, the pandemoniums that's going on all over. You're seeing it on the news. You know, store shelves are empty. You can't even buy Lysol in the stores anymore because people have bought them up, and now it seems like they're extorting the people by selling it for crazy amount of money. If you go on Amazon right now and you Google Lysol, it's out of stock. And the prices of the ones that you can find are way over and above. You can't find it at BJ's Wholesale. You can't find them anywhere. Same thing with gloves, same thing with masks, same things with hand sanitizers. The little 2-ounce bottle of hand sanitizer is on Amazon for like $10 and more. These are the little 50-cent ones you get in the pharmacy, or the dollar ones you get in the pharmacy. But people have taken this time to extort from other people, and it is just ridiculous. What I want to really encourage you guys to do is to boost your immune system up. Boost it up. One way for you to boost it up is to stop smoking. Alright? That's one of the things that I've mentioned in prior videos when it came to losing weight. Cigarette smoking is not healthy for you, and it's also opening you up for lung issues. Okay? They said that smokers and vapors are one of the peoples that are susceptible to getting this virus. Anyone with any type of lung issue, any type of health issue, underlying health issues, I mean, this is where it's happening. It's happening mostly in those people, in elderly people. I mean, even though young people are getting it, a lot of them are recovering from it. Well, I remember growing up, and when we got sick, our grandmothers, our mothers, they did old school remedies. One of the ways you can boost it up is to drink plenty of green tea leaves. Now, you've seen this in my videos, and what I've been doing is brewing this along with some ginger. That helped me one day when I felt my chest and my body felt really tired and weak, and I didn't know what was going on. So what I did was brewed me some green tea and some ginger, and I felt a whole lot better. You have to eat right. You have to eat more vegetables. You have to eat better. You cannot eat that processed foods and your body is not filled with nourishment and vitamins. You have to eat better. So one of the things that I suggest to you guys to do, start boosting your immune system up with some green tea leaves. Okay? Green tea leaves. Garlic tea. Okay, I have videos down below on those things as well. I have so many immune boosting teas. Okay, that's going to boost your immune system up, strengthen it, make it stronger. So this way you won't get sick, or you will be able to recover if you were to get sick. Okay, you have a better chance of becoming healthy, fighting that disease by boosting your immune system up. So this is one of the things that I suggest. Everything I show you, I'm going to have in my store for you to find. Okay, and it won't be the crazy prices that you're seeing all over the place for the things that we really need for our bodies. Another thing, and this is something that I wanted to talk to you guys about on my channel. It's been sitting here for at least a couple of weeks, and it didn't dawn on me until just now to bring this to your attention. This also is something that if you have it in your area, if you could find it in your area, I suggest you start drinking these as well. Okay, this is Alma juice, and one of the first things it says is immune support. Okay, it supports your immune system. It boosts your immune system. It's excellent source of vitamin C. It also is a dietary supplement, and you take 2 tablespoons of this twice a day, a half an hour before each meal. They're good for your body. They're also good for weight loss. Some of the wonderful benefits of Alma juice is that it supports liver function and flushes out toxins from the body. Along with the vitamin C, Alma also is rich in iron, calcium, phosphorus, and can be taken as a nutritional drink. Now, it helps in keeping your digestive system on track throughout the day and accelerates your metabolism. A good metabolism is able to burn more calories. This is great for weight loss management. But they're good to boost and build your body up. All right? This is really, like the Bible will say, these are perilous times we're living in. So the more we know, the more educated we get, is the better chance that we have at staying safe and staying healthy. This is also good to take while you're on medication. It says it doesn't have any type of counter reactions, and it's good for women who are pregnant, breastfeeding, lactating. This is also good for you guys. So if you're breastfeeding, if you're pregnant, this is also good to take, boosting your immune system up. Now, something that I've started taking, if you're not able to afford to go to these type of places where, like a juice bar where you can get these little wheatgrass shots, well, here's another item that I bumped into that I've been taking, and this is grass meal. This is wheatgrass juice, and it comes with honey. Okay, it comes with honey inside of it. This is another way to boost up your body. Whenever I was feeling sick or feeling like I'm coming down with a cold, there's a store in my neighborhood, and it's a herbal store, and they have in the back a juice bar, and they have the whole, it look like a lawn, the wheatgrass, and they trim off some, they put it in the machine, they grind it up, and they sometimes mix it with garlic. And the garlic is something that goes straight to your bloodstream. It seems like it just gives you a punch. Garlic is another thing. Now, drinking this every single day, you take, I think, 60 mLs, and that's 2 of these. Now, here are some wonderful benefits of wheatgrass. It's a superfood. It will eliminate toxins from your body. It can help with digestion. It boosts your metabolism. It can lower your cholesterol. It boosts your immune system and gives you energy. It also lowers your blood pressure. I drink 2 of these every single day. This is another immune boosting supplement. But the first ingredient in this is wheatgrass. Okay, fresh leaf juice, 99%, pure honey, 10%, citrus acid, potassium. I mean, it has a lot of good stuff in this. Like I said, I'm going to have links for these in my eBay store. I'll have links for these, but this is another affordable supplement to boost your immune system up. Another thing that I have here, and this one is gooseberry juice. Gooseberry juice is just another name for Alma, okay, for the Alma berries. It's highly nutrition. It is low in calories. It has high fiber. It's rich in antioxidants. It helps to control your blood sugar. It protects your brain. It has anti-cancer effects, and is great for your heart. Fresh pressed virgin juice, pleasant natural taste. You drink 2 fluid ounces before every meal. Okay, so this is another dietary supplement. It's Alma juice. Alma, I guess, is another name for gooseberry. But this is great. This is healthy stuff to boost you up. You got to boost your body up to fight all sorts of sicknesses, illnesses, flu type symptoms. You have to feed your body right. You have to take your multivitamins. You have to also take other supplements that's going to encourage your immune system, encourage your body to, to get that proper nourishment, that nutrition that it needs. Now here's another one. This is also going to be down in my eBay store. And this one is also Alma juice. Okay, but this one is different. This one has two little, and I don't even know what these are. It doesn't even look like juice because it's so packed to the top that you can't even tell that this is considered juice. It's so full. This is organic. It's all natural, BPA-Free. But it supports your immune system. Listen, you guys. I'm not here to try to extort you guys. I just want you all to really think very deeply about your health, because our health is being compromised by this virus. And so many people are just, they're not educating themselves. They're not looking into alternative ways of doing this instead of depending on medication. There's juicing. You can blend your own juices, blend your smoothies, okay? Your vegetables, your fruits. Just know that this virus is not going to just compromise our health. It's also going to compromise our finances. Just like when the government had a shutdown, how it affected so many different areas, even the working class people. This is something that's also going to compromise our household. Being that a lot of people aren't really going out, they're really shutting down a lot of large events where there'll be a lot of people gathering in the same area. In New York, at least, I know that much. They're shutting down a lot of places. Even the Barclays Center in Brooklyn, New York, the workers there were tested positive for this virus. I saw it on the news today and I was like, wow, this is getting ridiculous. Every time you turn on the TV, you're hearing about so many places that are in your neighborhood that have people that are affected. It's to the point where I even purchased those N5, I think they call them, the respirator mask. And it's a cloth mask that has a little air vent, and it goes over your nose and your mouth and over your ear. It's to the point where I bought one for my whole entire family. Because when we travel and go outdoors, we don't know who's around us, what we're breathing in. And it's to the point now where just about a lot of people in New York are traveling with gloves on their hands, masks on their face, and if you cough in public, the looks that you're getting, the things that are being said to you, and I can't imagine the fights that are going to start breaking out because of ignorance and people being scared. So you guys, listen, drink plenty of soup, okay? Remember the old school soups your mom and grandma used to make? Those are good for your body. Feed your body right. Fruits and vegetables. Lots of vegetables. Matter of fact, you know what? That's what I think I'm going to make this week. A nice hearty vegetable soup. Maybe a chicken soup. But also remember, home remedies. That if you feel a little weak in your body, you can nurse yourself at home. But definitely consider a lot of green drinks, green smoothies, green juices. Okay? Boost your body up. Don't forget your vitamins. That's very important, because if you're not eating properly, you still need to feed your body right so to keep it healthy. But I've never seen a day like today where people are posting Lysol cans for 30 something dollars, 50 something dollars, 80 something dollars. It's crazy. It's crazy, and it's just about to begin. So for those of you who are traveling, who have to take the train and the bus, and you have to be enclosed in areas with other people, protect yourself. Do an investment. Get a mask. Okay? Get a mask. As far as sanitizing your hands, wear gloves. If you can even find them, because thank goodness we had bought a whole lot of gloves before all of this took place. Now you can't even find them on the shelf. It's really sad, y'all. And businesses are suffering. A very good friend of mine, he's a manager of a business, and he just had to let go about 7 people today. Because of this virus, a lot of people aren't going out socially. And because of that, a lot of businesses are suffering. So now they're letting people go because businesses are suffering. And this is where I say that it's going to start affecting us financially, because of us having to either go out and purchase things, or certain imported items are no longer coming over anymore. So now our means of whatever supplies that we have are limited, so the prices are going to rise. It's time to start cooking at home. It's time to start stretching your meals instead of being out there buying all of this stuff and investing. And like I said, this is where businesses are going to suffer, because people are not out there buying as much. People are going to start getting laid off because there's no need to have all these excess people and no finances coming in to support that business. So you guys, I didn't want this to be long, but you know, you got to take your supplements. You got to take your vitamins. You got to boost your body up. Start drinking plenty of green teas. If you can't find the loose teas, start stocking up on the bags, the green tea bags, your moringa tea, your garlic. I got videos on this. Okay? Garlic tea is wonderful for boosting your body up. All right? Sorrel tea. Okay? Sometimes you may think that I'm just putting these videos out. Oh, she doesn't know what she's talking about. Yeah, I do my research. Time to feed your body right, so that if you do feel a little weak, you can start nursing yourself right away. Start drinking your teas. Get organic honeys. Get your honey. Get the things that your grandmother and your mother used to do. So you got to really start taking better care of yourselves. You got to be cautious when you're around other people. Try to avoid being around crowds. If it's not necessary for you to be at the mall, don't go to the mall. I wouldn't go to the mall. And that's the sad thing now, because people have to isolate themselves from other people. So, y'all, I just wanted to show you some of these items that I had that really, it's for now. Boost your body up. All right. So check the links down below in my eBay store, because I would most likely have hands-on than these other places that we don't even know. Everybody's buying everything up. They're just buying everything up. But you guys, I just want to ask you all to be safe, be smart, eat right. If you're smoking, stop smoking. You're more susceptible to getting sick. All right. So boost your body up, y'all. All right. And until the next time, this is Velvet Locks signing out. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel. And this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.